Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to connect your YouTube channel to VidIQ. Alright, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. The first step, go head over to vidiq.com. And once you're in here, just click on sign up for free. Or if you have an account, you can go ahead and click on login. Just make sure to log in with the account that got the YouTube channel that you wanted VidIQ to connect to. Okay. Now in here, you have the option at the top to install the extension. Okay, as you can see here, I have one account ready. That is because I've already connected my VidIQ account years ago. Okay, so for the extension, I'm going to go ahead and explain this to you in another video. But if it's your first time, you will be able to see right here the connect button. So just go ahead and click on connect and then select the channel. Let's say I'm going to go ahead and remove this channel. Okay, just go to the top right, click on channel settings. I'm going to remove this. Okay, now it says here, I can now go ahead and connect my channel or skip. Okay, as you can see here, I now have the connect your channel button. So just click on it. Again, just to select the correct YouTube channel and give the necessary permissions, hit on continue, wait for it. And then once done, you're good to go. Okay, as you can see here, it's now connected. All right, well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.